Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add a YouTube link in TikTok. It's not something difficult. I'm going to show you right now what you need to do in order to add YouTube link in TikTok. And without wasting your time, guys, let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do, which is we need to open TikTok. And let's go to profile, and in your profile, you're going to find edit profile. Let's click on it. Okay, so you're gonna find here social, you're gonna find Instagram, and you're gonna find under Instagram YouTube. So what you need to do is you just click on add YouTube and click on continue. Okay, so here all you need to do is you select one of these Gmails, and once you select one, the YouTube or your channel that is related to this Gmail, it's going to be directly related to or linked to your TikTok account. So that's it, guys. All you need to do is you just click or select the Gmail that is linked to your YouTube channel and select it, and it's going to be added to your TikTok account. For me, I don't want to select it because I don't want to add any YouTube channel on my TikTok account. So for you, all you need to do is to select your Gmail, and it's gonna be linked easily. So this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.